Good evening. We are here today to present to you our health centre. My name is Coral.
Hello, my name is Jordan.
And we are ACJ Health Consultancy. Our health centre. Our health centre is for any age. We came up with lots of ideas, but then narrowed it down to only a few. We sent out a survey to the public to see what they would like in our health centre. Pictures. We have big pictures, small pictures. As you can see, this is one of the pictures that will be displayed in our reception. How are we going to promote our health centre? We are going to send out leaflets to shops and houses. And on the back there is a 50% voucher.
The size of our health centre is 37 by 17 metres. The eco-friendly part is that we have solar panel water heating and solar panels. We get lots of electricity and wind turbine to get a bit more electricity. This is the downstairs floor plan and the upstairs floor plan.
Rooms. The name of our health centre is Move and Flash. We have a healthy menu to choose from in the cafe. For example, we have a salad bar, a variety of vegetarian meals, and a variety of fish, meat, dairy, and carbohydrates. We have lots of clubs for adults and children, such as football, yoga, basketball, and netball, and lots more. How to keep healthy. Don't smoke, because every time you do, you lose 10 minutes of your life. These are the healthy ones and these are the unhealthy ones. Eat healthy, because if you do, you'll have a healthy heart. Exercise every day, because if you don't, you'll have good bones. Don't take drugs that aren't provided by you from a doctor, because otherwise they'll make you pregnant.